You won't believe what we're making with canned chicken today. It's about to become your new go-to quick snack. These canned chicken nuggets are one of the easiest chicken nugget recipes you can make and beats fast food and frozen nuggets any day of the week. They're crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and bursting with cheesy flavor. Here's how to make them. Begin by draining the liquid from your canned chicken. Then use a paper towel to squeeze out as much moisture as you can. Take out a medium-sized bowl which we'll use to mix all of our ingredients in. Add your drained canned chicken into the bowl. Crack open and add 1 large egg. For our seasonings, we're using half a teaspoon garlic powder and half a teaspoon onion powder, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Add 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 4 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese. Mix everything together. Preheat your air fryer on 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Take about a heaping tablespoon of your mixture and form it into a nugget. Gently press the nugget together to keep it from falling apart. Then place it in your air fryer basket. Repeat this process until you're out of your mixture. I was able to make 8 nuggets here. Bake it on 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. After about halfway, flip over your nuggets and then finish cooking them in the air fryer. After 10 to 12 total minutes, your nuggets should be done with a nice golden crust to them. Then you're ready to enjoy your canned chicken nuggets. If you want to make more chicken nuggets, you can double or triple the ingredient amounts in the recipe. The cooking time will remain the same. If you want to bake these in the oven instead, you can bake them on 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Enjoy these with your favorite dipping sauce. Keto-friendly ranch, mayo, or barbecue sauces are all great options. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.